BNTouch offers several powerful marketing tools to use when communicating with your clients and partners. Automating your marketing with campaign triggers can save you time and reach more people, but did you know you can involve your clients in this process? With SMS text triggers, you can automatically start marketing campaigns for clients when they text you specific keywords. In order to use SMS triggers in your CRM, you will need to have the BNTouch Voice module active for your account. To learn more about this feature, open the User menu in the upper right corner of your CRM and click Modules. When you hover over BNTouch Voice, you'll see pricing details and links to additional information. Adding a keyword text trigger to a marketing campaign is easy. In the Options tab of your CRM, open the BNTouch Voice Settings section. You can find it quickly by clicking Modules to the left. Here, open the SMS Triggers sub-tab. To create a new SMS trigger, click the Add Trigger button. You can then find the campaign you want to use the SMS keywords with using the drop-down menu and search box. You can also select users whose clients can start the selected campaign via text message. Just like other marketing campaign triggers, the row starting with When sets the requirement for the campaign to be started. In this case, you can enter words or phrases in the text field to the right. If a client sends you an SMS text message that either contains or exactly matches the text in this field, the selected campaign will start dripping on them. It's that simple. Just click Add Trigger below to complete the process. Let's say you want to set up a new keyword text trigger for your new home buyer's marketing campaign. You might want to set it to start whenever a client sends you a text that contains the words New Home in the message. If you add this trigger from the SMS Triggers sub-tab, you'll see it added to the list on this page. Now, the new home buyers campaign will start for all users that text you using those words, and the campaign will continue to drip on them with any other automated triggers you have set. Take advantage of this easy-to-use campaign trigger today and let your clients help you with your marketing.